Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need control now, so plug a USB mouse or keyboard into the TV. This bypasses the remote and lets you navigate menus instantly. Once connected, make sure the TV is online via Ethernet or a phone hotspot so both devices share the same network. While you're doing that, install the Google TV or Android TV remote control app on your phone. This sets up touchscreen control and typing. After the app is ready, open it and let it scan the network. Pairing is the next quick step. Once your phone app scans, follow the on-screen pairing code or QR to authorize remote control. This links the controller to the TV so you can navigate and type. If the pairing menu is unreachable, use the USB mouse to open settings and verify network or enable developer options for ADB. You can also cast media from your phone directly or use the Play Store web to push apps to the TV, which avoids using the on-device input. These steps let you regain full control without the original remote. Finalize control by pairing a Bluetooth remote, spare gamepad, or your phone as a permanent controller. This gives you quick access without repeated work. Once paired, enable Google Assistant voice control and confirm keyboard input works for searches and passwords. Make sure to set a backup. Leave a small USB mouse or keep the phone app installed. If anything goes wrong, reboot the TV, ensure both devices are on the same network, and retry pairing. This simple reset fixes most connection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.